Today I'm going to show you how to make simple sausage rolls. You will need 500 grams of sausage meat, or I have used 8 sausages, 500 grams of puff pastry, 1 egg and some plain flour for dusting. Firstly, flour your work surface and then roll out your puff pastry. You want it to be a long rectangle. I have then cut the puff pastry into halves, so then I can have 2 very thin long rectangles. Then if you are using sausage meat, just simply place the sausage meat in the middle of each rectangle. But if you're using sausages like I am, remove the skins first and then pull on the sausages to thin them out a little bit, because sausages will probably be a bit too thick for your sausage rolls. So just pull them out to thin them out a little bit and then place those in the middle of your rectangles. Then, having beaten the egg, you want to wash one side of the rectangle. Then fold over the other side to the beaten side and then press down along the edge. You can use a fork to press down if you want, which will make a nice patterned edge, but I've just pressed down with my fingers, so then we create a nice seal. Then chop your sausage rolls into the size pieces that you like. I've done a mixture of slightly bigger ones and then slightly smaller ones. Then place your sausage rolls onto a pre-lined baking tray. And using the remaining beaten egg, just egg wash the top of each sausage roll. Then in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted, bake for 35 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make simple sausage rolls.